Hello everybody. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to contact Capital One customer support. You can contact Capital One customer support in several ways. So firstly, open any of the web browser. And in the top, there's this address bar. You need to type down Capital One and enter it. So from here, you need to select this Capital One official website. And once you get inside this homepage of the Capital One, you need to scroll all the way to the bottom until you find the support here. And from here, you need to click over here, contact us. Under this contact us, you need to scroll a bit down again. And you can also find frequently asked questions. You can find any of the question issues here, or you can also get in touch with this phone number here. And this is the general customer service. You can simply call this number and so that you can direct your call to the right person as well. Over here, you can find several numbers so that you can reach out to their customer support. Or next is you can scroll a bit down again and click over here, accessibility assistance, and scroll a bit down again. And you can also go to this live chat with us and you can type down an issue here and you can send it over here as well. And that is it. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video was helpful.